Hello, friends. Welcome to Quick Bites, the podcast that takes you through the delectable world of food in short and compelling episodes. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza, and in this episode, we're diving into the iconic and beloved spread from down under Australia, Vegemite. Vegemite is a savory spread made from a brewer's yeast extract, a byproduct of beer production. Vegemite has become a staple in Australian kitchens despite its humble beginnings since the 1920s. It has a rich and salty flavor profile, full of umami, making it a beloved home flavor for many Aussies. Vegemite is not your typical spread like peanut butter or jelly. Australians love to spread it thinly on toast or crackers, usually with a generous layer of butter. The perfect balance of Vegemite, butter, and bread creates a unique and satisfying taste, like a savory kick in every bite. Behind the spread's history is an exciting story. It seems like it emerged when import restrictions made it difficult to get British yeast extract, which happened in 1922, but by then Vegemite hit the shelves and has been a cultural phenomenon ever since. It's not just a condiment, it's a part of Australia's identity. Vegemite holds cultural significance in Australia behind its flavor. You will find it in sandwiches, recipes, and even as a secret ingredient in many of the recipes featured. It's not just about the taste, it's about what really represents for the locals. So, if you happen to encounter Vegemite, give it a try. And whether you're an Australian Aussie craving a taste of home or an international adventurer looking to broaden your culinary horizon, it's a unique and beloved spread that has captured Australians' heart and taste for many generations. Thanks for tuning in to Quick Bites, the podcast that brings you the best of the food world in bite-sized portions. I'll check back with you next time.